Baba is someone who we all love. Baba is someone who is loved by the people. Baba is someone who is generous. Baba is someone who is patriotic. Baba is someone who has the feelings of the people at heart. So I was very sad when I heard the news this morning that Baba has gone. What really made me love Baba so much, during the issue of the youth leadership, he stood firmly behind me. That no matter how, nothing will happen, that he will make sure he install me as youth president, and he did. So Baba is someone who will always stand for you. Baba is someone who will tell you this is where I'm going, and he will not digress. Baba is someone who will not disappoint you. So Baba has really helped us in the community. He has employed over, I can't really count, I'll just lose count, more than 500 people in the community, be it in civil service commission. When Baba was serving as commissioner one in civil service commission, we felt his impact. Even before he became Dulu Ekpe, when he became Dulu Ekpe, there is nothing you come to Baba for, Baba will not do for you. When it comes to financial assistance, employment, what have you. So Baba is always there for us in the community. So the reason why you can see people here today, gathered here today, just to come and pay him visits, just because of his generosity, because of his kindness. So Baba is loved by the people. I pray that God should give the family the fortitude to bear the loss, because it's a great loss to us. Not just the family, to the people of Ekpe Kingdom, to the people of Lagos State.